The Philippine National Police has filed charges against a mayor in Cavite for allegedly spreading fake news about COVID-19. The PNP Regional Anti-Cybercrime Unit in Calabarzon sued Noveleta Mayor Dino Reyes Chua for violating Chua has been accused of spreading fake information, the alleged first COVID-19 case in Cavite City. Using a Facebook account under the name Maggie Bernal, Chua allegedly shared photos of the patient who died of the virus. Photos of PUIs or patients under investigation in Cavite City were also allegedly posted. The PNP also found out that Maggie Bernal is a troll account allegedly created by Chua in 2010 to attack his political opponents.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.